How to send snaps are not being saved by friends. Hello everybody. If you're wanting to do that, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can go ahead and open up your Snapchat in your device. Tap on it to open it up on your screen. Once you open it up, what you need to do next is go ahead and click a snap using this camera of Snapchat. And once you have clicked a snap, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now from the given interface, in the last option of this on your right side, you need to click on this option, this one right here, timer option. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, what you need to do is you need to select you need to select the number options. You can swipe up to the numbers and select the numbers instead of this option, no limit option. You need to select this numbers, and after that set it up. And once you set it up, what happens is it prevents friends from saving your snaps on Snapchat. They can view it for the given time second, but apart from that, they cannot save it. So that's it for now. That is how you send snaps which cannot be saved by friends. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.